Hi little explorers! Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed turns into a big, tall tree? Today we are going on a journey to discover it. Seeds are tiny, but they have special tricks to move around. Pine trees, for example, have two types of cones. Male pollen cones on the lower branches that release yellow clouds of pollen into the air, and female cones higher up in the tree. Every spring, the pollen from the male cones fly with the wind to reach a female cone on a different pine. This process is called cross-pollination, and it helps keeping the pine trees healthy and strong. After some months, the fertilized female cones open up, and their seeds with tiny wings glide on the wind to sunny, moist spots where they can grow into new trees. Maple and ash seeds have little wings that spin like helicopters and fly far away from the tree. The big acorns of oak trees drop to the ground. Squirrels and jays bury them to eat later. And the ones that are forgotten grow into new oak trees. The tough roots of coconuts float across the ocean on their husks until they land on warm sand on a beach, where they grow into new trees. There are floating seeds called sea seeds, like that of mucuna plant, that drift in the water for months before reaching new islands or shores. In Australia, the grass tree seeds stay underground and wait for fire. That helps them sprout into new plants, helping forests recover. Some trees, like the Hura crepitans, also known as sandbox tree, shoot their seeds far away with an explosion up 30 meters. But be careful, because some of its parts are poisonous. When a seed lands in a place with enough light, water and soil, it begins to wake up, and tiny root called the radicle pushes down into the ground to get water, and a small shoot called the plumage grows up toward the light. All this happens because the seed has stored food inside it, ready to help the plant grow. Soon, the young plant grows leaves that catch sunlight. The leaves turn sunlight, water, and air into food. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants can make their own food. As the tree grows, the tips of branches and roots grow taller and deeper, and the trunk gets wider each year. You can even count the rings inside a cut tree to find out how old it was. Trees send chemical signals called hormones to tell the tree when to grow roots or branches. During a drought or poor soil, hormones called strigolactones help the tree focus on survival, an incredible strategy that scientists are studying to help forests adapt to climate change. Trees give us shade, home for animals, and oxygen we breathe. Their roots hold the soil and their leaves cool the air. Every big tree started as a tiny seed. Next time you see a seed, imagine its excited journey and all the stories it can tell you. Plant it and watch what kind of tree or plant it becomes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.